Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hybrid Hobby. James here, coming to you from the California Southern Model Railroad Club with something fresh and current from our friends at Athearn. Let's check it out here. It's an Athearn Genesis locomotive, Horizon Hobby. Look around to the other side. Ah, there it is. It's the Great Northern GP7 Genesis locomotive. Let's check it out. Great Northern rostered 56 GP7s, the earliest of which were delivered in 1950. Set up to run long hood forward, these units were used in all types of secondary service and most lasted through the BN merger. Starting in the mid-1960s, GN began to repaint units into the simplified scheme in order to save on masking costs. These Athearn Genesis units are presented in the simplified scheme and are appropriate for late-era GN operations, or, with minor changes, you can use them for early BN modeling as well. Okay, without further ado, let's get this beautiful locomotive out of the box. The locomotive features train line and MU hoses, MU stands, wire grab irons, coupler cut levers, drop steps where applicable, nub-style walkway tread, lift rings, windshield wipers, bell placement and type per prototype, detailed fuel tank with fuel filters, fuel gauges, breather pipes, and retention tank, Blomberg B trucks with appropriate bearing caps, speed recorder unless otherwise noted, see-through cab windows and full cab interior, fine scale Celcon handrails for a scale appearance, etched metal radiator intake grills and fan grills, air tanks mounted below sill unless noted, body-mounted McHenry-style scale knuckle couplers that are KD compatible. The unit is DCC ready and features quick plug-and-play technology with a 21-pin NEM connector. The unit is scaled from prototype resources including drawings, field measurements, photographs, and more. All Genesis models are accurately painted with printed paint schemes. The units are equipped with a Genesis driveline with 5-pole skew-wound motor, precision machine flywheels, and multi-link drivetrain. All-wheel drive with precision gears for smooth and quiet operation is standard. The units also have all-wheel electrical pickup that provide reliable current flow. Wheels with RP25 contours operate on all popular brands of track. LED lighting for realistic appearance. Heavy die-cast frame for greater traction and more pulling power, and a package that securely holds the model for safe storage. All models come fully assembled and ready to run, and the minimum radius to operate is 18 inches. Our unit came DCC ready, so we installed the Tsunami 2 21-pin sound decoder. That video will be coming out very shortly. Stay tuned. Okay, now that we've reviewed the details of this locomotive, let's get her out on the main line. The new Athearn Genesis GP7s are available now from horizonhobby.com, your favorite local hobby shop, or your favorite online model train retailer. We'd like to take this time to thank our friends at Athearn and the California Southern Model Railroad Club for help making this review possible. Stay tuned, as a future video will be coming out that shows how to install the Tsunami 2 21-pin decoder in this beautiful locomotive. With that being said, it's time to wrap up this review. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing. Hybrid Hobby, out.